remodeling because we had a flood in our kitchen and dining room. So we just decided to go ahead and renovate the whole entire house. Anybody who's ever done a renovation before, especially a large one, they're hard to live through. If we did not have the storage unit, it would have been very emotional in the household just from dodging around all the stuff that's in the way. But having this really took a lot of the emotion out of the renovation. It just gave us the opportunity to do things at our pace. We decided to go with Pack Rat because they seemed to be the most affordable option. It was so convenient having the storage unit in the driveway. We just said, might as well finish the garage while we're at it. I've called to extend it 3 times, never had any issues. A lot of people think that Pack Rat might be specifically for moving, but in my eyes, Pack Rat's one of the best companies out there for storage and or moving.